Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the advantages of computer science. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Advantage of computer science. Number 1. Endless career opportunities. Computer science offers a wide range of career opportunities in various industries, from software development to artificial intelligence, cybersecurity to data science. Computer science professionals are in high demand and can explore diverse career paths. Number 2, high salary potential. Computer science professionals often enjoy attractive salaries and lucrative job offers. The demand for skilled computer science professionals exceeds the supply, leading to competitive compensation packages and growth opportunities. Number 3, innovation in problem solving. Computer science fuels innovation by providing tools and techniques to solve complex problems. Computer scientists develop new algorithms, create innovative software solutions, and design systems that address real-world challenges. Number 4, technological advancements. Computer science plays a pivotal role in driving technological advancements. It enables the development of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual reality, and blockchain, which have transformative effects on various industries. Number 5, automation and efficiency. Computer science automates manual tasks and improves efficiency. It enables the development of software applications and systems that streamline processes, reduce human errors, and increase productivity in industries such as manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and logistics. Number 6, global connectivity and communication. Computer science facilitates global connectivity and communication through the development of networking technologies, internet protocols, and social media platforms. It has revolutionized how people interact, collaborate, and share information across the world. Number 7, data analysis and insights. With the exponential growth of computer science provides the tools and techniques to analyze vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions, optimize operations, and gain competitive edge. 8, flexibility in remote work opportunities. Computer science offers flexibility in terms of work arrangements. Many computer science professionals have the option to work remotely or as freelancers, providing flexibility in managing work-life balance and location independence. Number 9, continuous learning and growth. Computer science is a dynamic field that constantly evolves with new technologies and research. Professionals in the field have opportunity for continuous learning, keeping their skills up to date and staying at the forefront of technological advancement. Number 10, impact on society. Computer science has a profound impact on society, influencing various aspects of our daily lives. It improves healthcare through medical technologies, enhances communication and education, facilitates e-commerce and online services, and contributes to sustainability efforts through energy efficient systems. Overall, computer science offers numerous advantages ranging from rewarding career opportunities and high salaries to technological advancements, problem-solving capabilities, and positive societal impact. It is a field that continuously evolves and shapes the world we live in. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on advantages of computer science. Thank you so much for watching and support. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.